In the world of Forex trading, leverage is one of the most powerful yet risky tools you need to understand. If used correctly, leverage can amplify your profits. However, if misused, it can significantly increase your losses. What is leverage? Leverage is a tool that allows you to control a larger position in the market with a smaller amount of money. Essentially, the broker lends you money to increase the size of your trades. For example, if you have an account with $1,000 and use 1,100 leverage, you can control up to $100,000 in the market. This means you can open larger positions than your initial capital would otherwise allow. How does leverage work? Let's say you're trading a currency pair like EU or USD. With 110 leverage, each dollar in your account controls $10 in the market. With 1,100 leverage, each dollar controls $100. This means small market movements can result in much larger profits or losses. Advantages of leverage: increased market access. You can participate in significant trades even with limited capital. Potential for higher profits. A leveraged position amplifies favorable market movements. Flexibility. You can diversify your portfolio as you don't need to use all your capital in one trade. Risks of leverage: amplified losses. If the market moves against you, your losses will be magnified due to the size of your position. Margin call risk. If your position loses too much money, the broker might close it automatically to protect itself, known as a margin call. Over-leveraging. Using too much leverage without a solid strategy can deplete your account quickly. How to use leverage wisely. Manage your risks. Avoid putting all your capital into a single trade. Use stop-loss orders to set limits. Choose appropriate leverage. Beginners should stick to low leverage levels such as 110 or 120. Trade with discipline. Don't let the potential for higher profits cloud your judgment. Remember, leverage is a tool, not a guarantee of success. Conclusion. Leverage is a double-edged sword in Forex. If used wisely, it can be a powerful tool to boost your profits and maximize your opportunities. However, without a solid strategy and proper risk management, it can become your biggest challenge. The key lies in understanding how it works and using it with caution and discipline.